Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to assemble a 9-volt rechargeable battery. Do not skip this video and watch it completely because I am telling the issues I have faced and all while assembling this. These are the components used for making the rechargeable battery. What we are planning to do is we will dismantle this old 9-volt battery and remove all things which are inside this battery. We only keep the metal cover and the plastic top with connectors and bottom cap. Then we will assemble the 9-volt rechargeable battery inside this and pack it. And next is, this is a 3.7 volt lithium polymer battery with 500 mAh capacity. I do not have a smaller battery with me that is in size wise. If I have a smaller size battery with me, then we will pack the battery inside this 9-volt battery. Since the size is a bit higher, we will glue the battery outside. The look will be a bit awkward but still seems nice. One advantage is battery can be replaced easily. We will fix the battery here and the battery wire we will put a hole here and will insert through it. This is 3.7 volt 1 ampere BMS with type C connector which is used for charging the battery. We will fix the battery wire in the BMS. But see, this is a 3.7 volt battery, but what we are making is 9 volt battery. How can we get a 9 volt from 3.7 volt? For that we will use a DC to DC boost converter module. The output of the BMS we will connect to the input of the boost module and then we will use the potentiometer to get the 9 volt output. Using this boost module, we can even raise the voltage to 28 volt from 3.7 volt and the maximum output current is 2 ampere. First, we will test everything at outside and then we can confirm that everything is working fine. Then we will assemble this inside this 9 volt battery. Okay, let's test this one first. You can see the entire connections are so simple. There is no complications in these connections. You can see there are 3 components and 6 solderings for this entire connection. Now we will check the output voltage and make it 9 volt. Assembling the circuit is so simple, but the main headache is to package this circuit inside the 9 volt battery. Now we will connect a charger and test it. You can see it is working fine. Now we will deassemble everything and will start packing inside the 9 volt battery. We have to pack the PCBs inside the battery. In order to put the 2 PCBs inside the 9 volt battery, we have to glue it together. For that, we will use a double side tape for fixing these 2 PCBs together and the tape will act as an insulator between these 2 boards. Let's dismantle this 9 volt battery. You can see this has 6 cells and each cell has 1.5 volt and total 9 volt. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. we will put a small hole here so that we can see what is the status of the battery, whether it is charging or fully charged and all. When it is charging, the LED becomes red, and when it is fully charged, it becomes blue color. So that thing we can see through this hole. See, this is freely moving inside this metal can. Somehow we have to fix it. You can use anything to fix this firmly. You can make use of thermocol, or here I am using a tissue paper. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. When bending the top part, keep an extra eye on the negative connector, because there is a chance that the metal cover will touch the negative connector. Let's test this by connecting the charger. You can see the red light through that hole. I will reconnect it slowly. This is the second time I am packaging this. See the other one? The top part is all destroyed completely. I have added some glue to the corner part because corner part are all having sharp edges. We can test this with 3 12-volt 10-watt LEDs. Let's test our 9-volt rechargeable battery against normal 9-volt battery. Our rechargeable battery has more current than normal 9-volt battery. If you have any idea of packaging this circuit, please comment your idea under this video. You have just completed making yourself a 9-volt rechargeable battery. Let's test the LED's brightness inside the dark room. Try this at your home. If you like our video, please click like button. If you do not like our video, click dislike button. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.